Hi, it's John Braddock and welcome to the April edition of BeneFocus. I'm here with Michelle Braddock today, and we're here to discuss something very important, and that is a will. We counsel employees all the time about including proper beneficiary information on their life insurance forms. However, that directive is only one small piece of an individual's overall planning process.
Having a will is one of the most important tools to guide the family and financial decisions after your death. For some, a will might be the first step in a bigger estate plan. But for most of us, the will is the centerpiece for directing our wishes and property after we're gone. So what are the main reasons for having a will? Well, to protect our children. Don't assume that your parents or other relatives will step in to take care of your children after you pass away. Without a last will and testament, the state decides who should actually care for them, which may be a blood relative that you may or may not approve of. But with a will, you designate a guardian that you love and trust to take care of your children.
To decide who receives your assets, everyone should clearly designate who they want to receive which assets. Whether it's a family heirloom or a portion of your savings account, you should be the one to decide who receives your belongings.
Another reason is to make a difficult time less difficult. Losing someone is incredibly hard. And the last thing any of us want to do is to spend time sorting things out with attorneys and being at odds with family members. Having a will provides directive and keeps your loved ones from incurring additional stress.
To provide for a favorite charity, wills do not have to be just for family, friends, and loved ones. For some people, including a charity in their will is a great way to give back.
So, who should have a will? Having a will is not just for the rich, and it's not just for parents with small children. A will is for any of us who want to give directives and peace of mind to our loved ones during an already stressful time in their lives.
So how do I get a will done? Isn't it expensive? Well, there are a number of ways to have a will created. First, you can go to an attorney. An attorney can provide the most assistance in guiding you through the process. There is also software and online subscriptions such as LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer, and others. These programs are relatively inexpensive and guide you through a series of questions to help you create your state-specific will.
Some people even draft their own. States vary in requirements, but generally speaking, you need to have 2 witnesses to sign the document. Of course, you need to make sure that someone you trust knows where to find that document in the event of your death. And also, don't forget that some of your employee benefit programs may offer a will as a value-added benefit. So the bottom line is, don't be intimidated by the process. Making a will is easier than ever. And if you've been putting it off simply because it seems like a daunting task, you could be making a big mistake. Going through the process of creating a will enables you to start thinking now about things you may want to do, like reviewing your life insurance or having the right type of coverage and amount of insurance in place.
And once you have your will, review it periodically. Life events happen. You may get married, have children, possibly a divorce, or open your own business. Having a will is the first step. Keeping it current is just as important.